How to cancel Bank of Montreal credit card. To cancel a Bank of Montreal credit card, you should follow some steps. Call the customer service number on the back of your credit card. When you reach a customer service representative, provide your credit card information, such as the card number, your name, and any other details they may ask. Clearly state that you want to cancel your credit card. Be prepared to explain your reasons for canceling it. Ask the representative to confirm if there is an outstanding balance on the card. If there are, arrange to pay off them. Remember that the exact procedures may vary. Wait for a confirmation. That's it. Thanks for watching the video.